Are you in a one-sided relationship? Does your IT provider ghost you every time you submit a support ticket?
Hey, yeah, it's me again. Still waiting on the computer setup for a new user. You said you were gonna call me back, and you never did.
Do they avoid talking about the future with you?
We haven't had a QBR in 9 months.
Did they promise it won't happen again? So you let your guard down, and then they forgot a critical patch update? They've broken your heart one too many times, and you deserve better. It's time to break up with your IT provider. We're making it easy with your very own IT Breakup Kit. The kit comes complete with an official "Not Me, It's You" letter, a breakup playlist, comfort tea variety pack, emotional support Yeti mug, tissues to help you forget your poor ticket history, chocolate therapy pack, and a face mask for IT-induced stress relief. You've been gaslit long enough. You're not asking for too much. You just want reliable cybersecurity and support. Is that so wrong? You deserve a real provider, one who's strategic, responsive, and totally committed to your business and your security. Break up with your IT provider, and, in the words of Taylor Swift, we are never, ever, ever getting back together. Call Prime Secured today.
Prime Secured, this is Kurt. How can I help you?
It's the healthy relationship you've been waiting for.
No, you hang up.
No, you hang up first.
No, you hang up.
No, you hang up.
Break up with bad IT. Reach out to Prime Secured, mention your breakup kit, and claim your complimentary consultation today.